What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Who Dat Travel. Now we are going to review the DoubleTree Suites right in Disney Springs here. We've been staying here for quite a long time now. We actually just finished a 10-night stay, and I want to show you, after 10 nights, what we think and what to expect when you're staying at the DoubleTree. Now, first of all, just to let you know, that is self-parking. The parking is $22 per day, and right here you are going to see the spot that you check in. I would recommend that you use your Hilton app. You can actually not even roll down your window and go ahead and check in or open up the gate, and it is a really handy thing. So we will walk in here. We are visiting during the Christmas season, so you do have the lobby here. Off to the left here we have the restaurants and also the quick service. And then off to the right here is the reception desk. So I'll go ahead and show you over here. We have the marketplace with the quick grab. You have the bar, and also behind that you have the restaurant. And then if you continue down this way, there is car rental and meeting rooms. Let's head over this way. Right behind the fireplace here, you do have the elevators. And then let me take you out right over to the pool and fitness area. Now that is an outside location. So right down this hallway, let's head over here. You can see the playground, pool, and spa. They actually do have a nice little playground here that we'll show you in just a moment for the kids. And as I said, this is an outside area. The fitness center and also the pool are outside. Now, normally you can get lunch outside. However, it is a little bit chilly day here in December. So right now, unfortunately, it is inside service only for lunch. So the pool and also the fitness area are, as I said, away from the building. They do have a splash pad for the kids. Let's go ahead and open up here. Pool hours are 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And you can see very nice sized pool here. They do, as I said, have an outside bar. Here is the pool. Over here is the splash pad for the kids. Over there you can also see the playground and also a few tennis courts as well. So they do have the splash pad there. And then of course over on the other side of the bar is the spa. Now that is of course heated. Now over here, let's head over to the fitness area. Towels, of course. Fitness area, some Life Fitness, a couple treadmills, some free weights, and that's about it. All right, let's head back in and show you the room. On the way back, they actually do have rental DVDs in the lobby. There is a DVD player in the room as well. So we never use them, but they are here. Also, just to give you an idea of what's in the grab and go here, they who have assortment of beers, some fresh fruit, some yogurt, some frozen goodies, energy drinks, assortment of chips, water, soda, wine. A nice little variety of everything. Now, getting off the elevators and the room area, you have this kind of vestibule area. It can get a little bit warm in direct sun. If you head to the right, there is ice and vending. On certain floor, there are also laundry facilities. So the carpet, obviously a little bit dated. And we will show you into our room here. Our room is 628. My specifications for Hilton Honors is that I have a room away from the elevators and a high floor. Also, great spot if you are a gold or diamond because you get $15 a day per person. So, all right, here's 628 and we'll show you. We have walking in, you've got on the left a kitchenette, kind of. You've got a small fridge here, and then a microwave. Also a sink, got your ice and your Cuisinart coffee. You do have a small table. Excuse all of our stuff. We literally just got in from the parks. We've got little man and the wife sitting on the pull-out couch with an ottoman and two different, we got a floor lamp and a normal lamp here with a decent sized TV, I'm guessing 42-ish inches, and of course our cookies. We have a sliding door here that is between the two rooms. We have a double queen room. The TV in here a little bit smaller, probably looking at like a 37. So outlet wise, not a lot of outlets. We've got looks like one on the lamp there. No USB hubs or anything that I'm seeing. And then over here we've got our bathroom with a little bit of table. There is a decent sized closet with a safe and extra linen. I am not seeing, oh, there it is. There is the ironing board. Not sure why anybody would be ironing in Disney, but hey, maybe. One sink in here with all of your extra towels. Hey, that is a very tall shower head. If you've watched any of my reviews, that is a big thing for me. I am 6 foot tall, so I don't like ducking for my showers to when it's my hair. So overall, pretty standard bathroom, and also do have the hair dryer there.